Hi friends, today I'm showing you this silicone back scrubber for shower. This is very eco-friendly and hygienic skin healthcare washer. You see, like, it becomes hard when you want to wash your back or clean your back. So this will help you in that it have two handles and rubbing points. This is made of silicone, easy to wash, non-allergic, and these two handles and the inside material is have like soft bristles on that, so that you can rub your back easily. So you can see the design, the quality is good, and then these two handle you can just put in your hand and then rub it. So as you can see, the other side is have like small points on it, and that is like a little bump, so that you can put the other side. So overall this is a good for the back cleaning and massage.